Today a new mechanical keyboard has been made available to commemorate the classic board game Scramble. The Scramble keyboard is now available from the Massdrop website and offers a unique chance to own your very own Scrabble keyboard officially licensed by Hasbro. Created from the 87 Cherry MX Brown switches, the Scrabble keyboard-themed keycaps include fun keycaps such as a star for the escape key or a triple word score for your number 3. Because the Massdrop X Hasbro XDA Scrabble custom keycap set is just a set of keycaps, not a full keyboard, we're pairing it with a great entry-level tenkeyless keyboard from WASD to get you started. The Scrabble keyboard is supported by Windows, Mac, and Linux computer systems. Specifications of the Scrabble keyboard include onboard support for multiple keyboard layouts including QWERTY, Dvorak, and Colmac, WASD keyboards, Scrabble XDA keycaps, die-sublimated PBT, Cherry MX Brown switches, rubber feet, LED indicators, 5-way cable routing and USB/PS/2. Shipping is expected to take place during September 2018 and comes supplied with a detachable USB cable and a keycap puller to help you move the keycaps around when desired.